Hey, what's up everyone? 2014 Prius. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the maintenance light. So what you want to do is first, with the accessories on, or the car on, don't matter, go to your kilometer button and put your dash on the kilometers. So you see where that's switching, miles per hour or kilometers? Switch it to kilometers, and then make sure that your trip is set to A. See the trip right there, going from A to B? Watch, odometer, trip A, trip B, and then there's like another thing. You want to go to trip A, and you do that by pressing your trip button. So once you have that set, you're going to turn the car off, all the way off, and then your foot off of the pedal. You're going to turn the accessories on just by pushing this once, but while you do that, you're going to hold down the kilometer button. So I got that held down. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit the power button one time, two times, and then you'll see this message, resetting maintenance data, let the bar go all the way across. It says complete, and then you're all done. Just make sure you hit your miles per hour button, the kilometer button, back to miles per hour if you're in America. If you're in like Canada or, I don't know, Europe, I don't know, do the kilometers if that's your thing in your country. Alright. That's how to do it on 2014 Prius. Thanks for watching.